Hey guys, it's Bodie with IPTVWire.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Kodi on any Mac computer in a matter of minutes. Now, like this says on their website, Kodi is the ultimate entertainment center. This is a free open source media center that can be installed on Fire Sticks, Android TV devices, Windows PCs, and also Mac computers. Many may not be aware that Kodi can be installed on a Mac, and that's what I'm going to show in this video. Now, because Kodi is available in the Google Play Store, I do want to point this out. It has over 50 million downloads and 328,000 reviews. I know that this application is 100% legal and verified to install on our devices, so I want to point that out first. Now, to install Kodi on your Mac, what you want to do is first go to the official website, which is kodi.tv. Once you're on the official website, you need to click download, and this will take you to the download page. So if you scroll down, you'll see an option here that says select your platform. Now, this just shows all the devices that Kodi is compatible with. So we have our Windows PC, Linux, Androids. This is what you would do on Fire Sticks as well. Raspberry Pi, Mac OS, iOS, and tvOS. So in this example, you would want to click Mac OS. So I'm going to click Mac OS. And then it's going to prompt me to the download page for Mac OS. You'll see three options here. We have recommended, pre-release, and development build. So I would just recommend that you leave it on the recommended tab here. And as you'll see, it's pulling in the most stable release of Kodi, which is 20.3 Nexus. So just read the description down here. If you are running the latest system software on your Mac, this should work. If your Mac is older and not running the latest system software, you may need to do a software update, or if your Mac is so old that it's just not going to work at all. So I just want to be fully transparent about that, where it says an Intel Mac running OS X 10.13 or higher is required. So double check that what version of OS that your Mac computer is running before installing. So here I'm going to click Installer. And on the top right, you'll see it installed here in my downloads. So I'm going to click this option here where it's in my downloads. And then you'll get an option that looks like this. It's going to drag Kodi to my applications folder. So I'm going to do that. And then once Kodi is in my applications folder, I'm going to click that. And then I'm going to scroll down and find Kodi here. So it looks like it's organized alphabetically. Kodi would be K. So here is Kodi right here under Keynote. So I'm going to double click Kodi, and this will launch the application. It says Kodi is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? And I'm going to click open. So now you're just going to have to wait while Kodi is installing and launching for the first time on your Mac computer. All right, so as you'll see, I have launched Kodi on my Mac computer, and really, guys, that's it. You'll see Kodi is now here. It has all these different categories on the left-hand side. And one thing I would suggest doing right away is you'll see it's kind of hard to scroll here. So make sure you're using a mouse and not the mouse pad while you're using Kodi on a Mac. So I'm going to click the settings icon here, and then I'm going to click System Information. And then on the bottom here, this is going to tell me what version of Kodi I am using on my Mac, and also how much memory and usage that this application is using. So you'll see here I am on version info build 20.3. So I do know that I am using the stable release of Kodi 20.3 Nexus on my Mac. Just some generally good information here. It gives you battery level, talks about the operating system that you're using, screen resolution, free memory available as well. So just some general and good info to have on Kodi here. Just wanted to point that out. So I'm going to click the back button on my keyboard, and that's going to take me back to the home screen here. And that's it, guys. I'm not going to dive into the individuals and more details of each of these Kodi categories. I have several articles on my website at IPTVWire.com that will help you learn more about how to optimize your experience with Kodi. So again, this is Bodie with IPTVWire. I appreciate you all watching this quick video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Guys, be sure to like this video as well and leave me a comment below. I do enjoy going through all of your comments as they do give me future ideas for videos. So again, guys, I hope you all have a great day.